Look at this insane wallet. This has nothing to do with luck. That's the power of creation, not just the usual meme coin trading. I'm going to show you how to take a tiny initial investment, maybe $100, and potentially turn it into a 3x or 4x return in just a few minutes. The one thing that separates this method from others? This process is repeatable multiple times per day. You can make money with it over and over again. Stick with me and I'll walk you through the precise steps. If you've been grinding all day, chasing pump and dumps, or getting wrecked with sketchy meme coins, you're still on the wrong side of the game. Smart money realized one thing years ago. The real fortune in crypto isn't made by speculating, it's made by minting the assets everyone else wants to buy. The old narrative that you need advanced coding skills or a massive social following to launch tokens successfully is a myth told by the old gatekeepers, designed to keep you out of the game so they can keep profiting without you knowing. I'm about to prove that you don't need any skills at all. Watch me launch a brand new viral Solana token live and bank a massive return before we're done. You could launch on publicly flooded platforms like Pump.fun, which are absolutely drowning in new tokens every minute. That oversaturation totally kills your visibility, which means nobody would ever get to see your token. That's a huge problem with Pump.fun launches. Fortunately, there's a superior strategy that we will use. We will use Raydium as our exclusive launchpad. While others fight for scraps in crowded exchanges, we launch where serious capital operates. Radium's higher technical entry barrier naturally screens out the lowest effort projects, which means fewer competitors and a much higher profit potential for us. The good news is that technical barrier is now completely bypassed with the right tool. I found my golden ticket with CoinCraft.fun. It offers a truly stress-free and reliable path to launching coins on Solana. The workflow is incredibly simple. Follow a few easy prompts and you're ready to deploy. I used it hundreds of times now and can confirm its rock-solid reliability. But now, enough chat. Let's get straight to business and mint our next viral hit right now. First up, we need a compelling viral identity, the token logo. You need something that's currently surging in popularity, something that hits a fresh nerve. My go-to strategy is going for viral memes, timely trends, or nostalgic gaming imagery. This time, I'll be going for the currently viral 6-7 meme and create a token for it. What's great is that there's already a coin called the official 6-7 coin on Pump.fun, so we can just copy our token image from there and use it for our new token. As a bonus right here, people might think it's the original, already successful coin with a huge market cap, which means you'll attract even more buyers. To create a logo in the correct size, open Canva with a 128 by 128 pixel custom size. Paste your token image, then pull the corners to resize it to fit the canvas. When you're done, download the logo. Jump back into the launch interface on CoinCraft.fun and connect your Phantom wallet or whatever Solana wallet you use. A standard permission request will appear. Confirm it to connect your wallet. Then click Create Token. Now we input the token specifics. I'll call mine the official 6-7 coin with the instantly recognizable symbol 6-7. I will leave the description empty just like the original coin did. Upload the logo before moving on, then click Next. The tokenomics are already pre-configured with the most optimal settings. I advise you to just leave these settings untouched. The market is going to need that 1 billion supply later on. Advance to the next screen. This next screen is optional for setting websites or creator links, but it also costs some extra soul. Personally, I skip it every time to save funds. Since the original coin does not have any social links, we won't add them either. For a direct Raydium launch, social links don't matter as much as what's coming in the next step. So, just leave them empty. Listen up. This is the most important point of the whole video. These configuration toggles are the absolute difference between success and failure of a project. You really got to keep all of them enabled. Experienced investors will immediately spot a coin where the creator can freeze trading, mint unlimited supply, or alter the contract at his own will. That's an instant red flag for them, a quick path to the death of your project. Most people keep asking me if they really need to enable these settings, and trust me, yes you do. So we'll enable everything and hit launch your token. Ignore the warning messages, since they are totally normal when you're creating a token. Then confirm the transaction and wait a few seconds. And there we are. Your new token is officially live right now. You can instantly verify the on-chain data, including the successful SolScan verification. You can also already see the token logo in the Solana Explorer. Our own 6.7 coin is now live on Solana. At this point, we can't make any money yet. Before any earnings can start, we must set up the liquidity pool. No liquidity pool means no one can buy or sell your token yet. We've got to change that immediately. Head back over to CoinCraft and click Create Liquidity. This takes us to Raydium. Then link your wallet to Raydium. Define your new 6.7 coin as the primary asset. Grab your token address from CoinCraft and paste it here. We're allocating 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, following best meme coin practices. Now add the trading pair. Here, we select Solana. Choose some amount of SOL. I'll only use 0.5 SOL this time, which is a good starting point. But of course, the more, the better. Just make sure you reserve the 0.2 SOL network fee for creating the liquidity pool in your wallet. Choose the 2% fee tier. This creates the best results and will fill our liquidity pool even more over time. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, is our moment of truth. Click Initialize Liquidity Pool and approve the final transaction in your wallet. After a few moments, your coin is officially open for business and can finally be bought. Our liquidity pool is now live. The coin is already indexed and visible across various tools. To monitor the performance, we need a chart to be looking at. To do so, open DexScreener, select some random token, and then swap the token address in the URL with your new 6.7 token ID. Hit enter, and there's your real-time chart. Now, we just observe and wait. The first few quick transactions are often just bots. Don't panic if they buy or sell. Any movement helps us as it builds essential trading volume, which looks inviting to future investors. Stay patient and regularly check your token's chart on DexScreener. Just a few minutes have passed, and look at that. We caught our first big buyer, a 1.5 SOL purchase. That instantly pushed the coin's market capitalization well past the initial value, and the candle is soaring. Of course, 1.5 SOL might not seem much to you, but if you think about it, that's more than 3 times of what we invested. A few minor sells are visible too, but the overall volume is exactly what we want. Seeing the market cap right now, I think it's the right time to secure our gains already. Head back to Raydium's Portfolio tab. Find your liquidity position and click the minus icon. Pull the slider to 100% to remove the full amount, take note of the total SOL you're getting back, and confirm the Remove Liquidity transaction. And now check your wallet. I just secured an easy 3x return on my initial investment in less than 10 minutes. This strategy works every day, is highly repeatable, and my personal success rate is well over 90%. I am doing this about 3 to 4 times every single day at the moment. This is truly life-changing, guys. This kind of opportunity is typically time-sensitive, so if you're going to try it, act while the window is open. Final disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes, illustrating decentralized finance mechanics. I have no direct affiliation with Raydium, DexScreener, Photon, or CoinCraft.fun. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. That means a lot to me. I appreciate you all, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.